Hello! Today we're making a special eggs nest. Alien eggs. But let's start at the beginning.
Welcome to the Geeky Workbench. So I'm using these screenshots from Alien Resurrection as my reference picture. First I prepared a base, and then I cut out a hole with a hot wire cutter. But with a hot wire cutter I only got about halfway, so the rest I carved out with a carving tool. Yeah, and this is my attempt at transitions. Yeah, I'm still practicing. But the base is primed and set aside to dry. Time to make the eggs. I used styrofoam eggs and covered them with air drying clay from Das. And before starting, it's always good to knead it a bit and maybe add a little bit of water too. And then I thought maybe I should rough up the eggs a bit so the clay sticks better. I don't know if it did anything, but I did it anyway. I made the eggs a little bit longer at the top, and you'll see why in a moment. This extra material at the top is so I can create these petals that open when the facehugger wants to jump out. And I'm not a professional sculptor and I don't sculpt often, so there might be a better way. This is just the way I came up with. When they were dry, I covered them in Art Podge, then added the primer and then the base coat. With some gloss varnish, they're starting to look a little slimy. And with the base ready, I can now pour the resin. And I didn't try to avoid bubbles because in the scene they're trying to break through the water and there's a skin on top, so there was naturally bubbles and movement, so I really liked the bubbles I had. And of course there will be some LEDs, so I prepared a few holes for them. And it took me a few days to figure out which material I wanted to use to make the slimy stuff that was covering the ground. I chose wet wipes, which I dried before, because they were very thin and easy to manipulate. And to add some more texture to the water surface, I used Green Stuff World Splash Gel Water Effect, which I first tried to apply with a sculpting tool, but that didn't work very well, so I then changed to the brush and sculpted the texture later. When everything was dry, I covered the tissue texture on the outside with brown paint, which should have been black because I ended up covering everything in black later anyway, but I just wanted to prime and base coat this layer. Then I started painting the vessels. I don't know, any alien fans out there can tell me, are they arteries, veins, or maybe something nervous system related? I don't know, I just painted what I saw on the screenshots. In the scene of the film, when they manage to break through the water and kill the eggs and facehuggers, they climb up a ladder because it's an elevator shaft. And I wanted to make part of this ladder because it's visible in the screenshots. And I watched the scene dozens of times until I had enough information I needed to make this ladder. So this metal ladder I made from styrene, and the other parts I made from wood because I didn't have the correct styrene size. It took me a while to see in the film that the ladder was basically 3 ladders joined together and then attached with different steel beams. I made the steel beams from wood, which I glued to the ladder. The ladder doesn't start off the ground, but a bit above, so I have to use a wire to suspend it in the air. But first we need to add some rivets, and I think it's an extra enforcement of the beam. I don't know, I used styrene profile and added the rivets to that profile. Cutting all these little rivets was tedious, and in the end I had cut too many. But even more tedious was gluing them to the profile, because they just didn't want to be picked up. Before priming, I added art pot to the wooden parts so I could cover the wood grain up a bit. Now it's time to make the beams and ladder look a bit rusty. Off camera I added texture paste and then painted over that. Then I added black wash and later some brown wash to dirty up the ladder a bit. Everything in the Alien films looks dirty, old, used, so that's the aesthetic I'm going for. Then it was time to start adding the beams, ladder and eggs to the base, because only after that I could add some more slime and grime to the ground. Almost done now. Here I am highlighting with a dry brush, and after this I cover everything with gloss varnish and a bit of still water from AK. Aliens was the first sci-fi film I ever watched, and the Alien franchise has been my favorite ever since. So this diorama will probably not be my last Alien-inspired build. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more builds like this, please consider liking and sharing.